Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to disable rotation on the GPS Tracks application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Click on General, scroll down, and then tap on the Disable Rotation button, which is the last one. As you can see, it will disable rotation of the app in reference to the device orientation. So tap on this button in the right side and it will be disabled automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.